Look. Woo! Mmm. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yes, you've seen it correctly. I have some fruits here, and I'm going to be reviewing my brand new juicer. And I'm going to juice some stuff and show you how it's done, okay? So let's get started. I have one apple, which is packed full of fiber, and we have some celery, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and it's low on the glycemic index, which is great, and that's exactly what we're looking for. And we have some mango, so bring on the sweet, and this is what we're gonna make some mango ice creams. So this is my brand new juicer. Here we have the stop button, we have the juice. This is how we're gonna make our ice cream, and this is how it's gonna self-clean. This is my review for my Comfee juice maker slash ice cream maker. So let's go. Inside my Comfee juice maker, I have one apple. I love that you don't have to cut up the apple. You just get it, you just throw it in and just let it work, okay? I'm gonna show you right now how this works. And then let's watch the juice flow. Okay, as you may see, it comes with two containers, one for the pulp and the other one for the juice. And what I love about it is that you just hold your juice in here. So now I'm gonna show you guys. I just hold it right there, and then I just pull it open, and look at that. This is the juice of one apple. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. I love it. This is what I get from my one apple. I love it. Okay, my healthy friends, so let's juice some celery. Okay, so I'm just gonna push my celery in like that. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and put our celery in here. Okay, and I also have some lemon. I'm gonna throw these in too, with skin and everything. Okay, don't worry about it. As you may see, I am going to use my trusty little utensil right here, and I'm gonna push everything down just like that. Okay, so let's get started. And let's watch it go. See that? Look how easy that went. And then we have the juice right here. Since I have it closed, there's nothing to do. But let's go ahead and open it up now and watch the juice go in. And look at the pulp right there coming out. Everything is absolutely perfect. Let me zoom out for you guys so you can see it. See that? Look at that. Absolutely perfect. I could just go ahead and turn it off right now, because my juice is already in here and I closed it. That's what I love about it. Little dog, look at that, look. Woo! Wonderful way to start your day. What better with some lemon and some celery, and everything comes right out. See? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that awesomeness. I love, 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 love this, guys. Everything that you're gonna need for this Comfee juicer and ice cream maker will be in the description box. Okay, let's go ahead and make some ice cream. Okay, my healthy friends, so to make my ice cream, everything is still attached, and I'm just gonna add the different compartment right there. Add this in there like that. Simple, easy, and then snap the top back on. Okay, once you snap it on, snap it into place, and let's go ahead and show you how to make this ice cream. So I'm gonna add my mangoes. There they are. These are frozen mangoes. Okay, you see them? All right, and then look at it go. There you have it, guys. Delicious mango ice cream. It's more like sherbet than it is ice cream, but it's perfect for a hot day, and it is absolutely delicious. The entire family will love it, guys. I'm gonna leave the link for this wonderful juicer in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out.